Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Bellissima by Excel Group located in Bandra West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. Right behind me you can see the sales office and the actual land parcel where the tower's construction is in full swing. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.4 acres that will have one tower of ground plus 35 floors having 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK residences. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located off Reclamation Bandra West, from where Geo Drive is only at a distance of 6 minutes, Bandra Railway Station is at a distance of 2 minutes, Bandra Worli Sea Link is at a distance of 3 kilometers, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 4 kilometers, and you have Leelavati Hospital at a distance of 400 meters from the project. Also, talking about the amenities, this project has basic amenities like swimming pool, gym, party lawn, kids play area and more. And now, talking about the configuration and carpet area, as said, this project has 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2.5 BHK in the carpet area of 980 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1070 to 1634 square feet. And now, talking about the booking process, the booking window for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the client can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount.
So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Bellissima by Excel Group located in Bandra West.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.